draw a field. So this is the farmer dashboard. On the top here on the right hand side, you can see the precipitation for the last week. So you can see rainfall for the last 7 days, from Monday there until Sunday. And you can see then a forecast in green here for the next 4 days. So you can see some rain here forecast for Tuesday evening. And below that then the same, you have your temperature historic for the last week and predicted or forecast temperature there for the next 4 days. So that's your farm dashboard on the right hand side. You have your main farm menus here. So farm map, recent soil tests report, all soil tests, nutrient management plans, fertilizer application records, and farm contact details. So if we go up here to the farm map, and I'll show you how to add a field. So this brings you to the map. You center the map on your preferred location where you're going to draw the field. So in this instance, I'm going to add a field by tracing outline. So if you click on the corners of the field, when you come to an adjoining field, you don't have to be careful about drawing a line separate from the boundary of the existing field. You can actually click internally into the adjoining field and then come back out down here along the boundary of the field you're drawing, and then you double click to finish the field. This produces a pop-up in which you can enter the field name. I'm just going to call this field X. And you can also enter the land parcel or a note at this point as well. Save. The map here now will show you the area of the field. If you wish to split that field now, you go to the table on the left hand side and you click on field X and edit. And now you can split, save, add a soil test, or delete this field. So if we click on split, and you basically click on one side of the field externally and then the other side of the field where you want it to be split. So click here and then double click to finish it. Now at this stage you can modify that split line, and you'll see here that as you move this node, the area of each of the two splits will change. So there's 0.67 hectares down here in B and 0.87 in A. Then if we move the line up here, you go to 0.52 hectares in A and 1 hectare in B. So if we create split, this will also assign any originally assigned soil tests to both parts of the split. And there we go. Now I'm just going to add another field, and then I'll show you how to delete a field. So add field by tracing outline. Once again, click on the boundaries of the field. Once again, you don't have to click outside the adjoining field. The boundary will automatically snap back to the line which divides your new field from the existing adjoining field, and then double click to finish the polygon. We'll call this field Y. So that's how you draw a field. Just on the field view as well, down here on the left hand side, you can always view the P, K, and pH status of the fields on the farm. We'll just draw 2 more fields here. This is field Z, and this is field ZZ. Okay.